Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop your microphone from auto-adjusting its volume in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to go. Once your PC has booted up completely and you're on your desktop, you're ready to begin the process. Now, to stop your microphone from automatically adjusting its volume, you'll need to access the control panel. Navigate to your Start menu by clicking on the Windows icon located in your taskbar. Once the Start menu opens, type in Control Panel in the search bar and hit Enter. This will launch the Control Panel window, which displays various system settings with their respective icons. From here, look for the Sound Settings option and click on it. This will open a new Sound Settings window where you can manage all your audio configurations. Once this window appears, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Communications tab to proceed. This tab specifically controls how Windows handles audio when you're using your PC for calls or other communication activities. Within the Communications tab, you'll notice 4 different radio button options. These options determine how Windows adjusts your sound levels during voice communications. The first 3 options you'll see are designed to automatically reduce the volume threshold of your microphone or other sounds, which is exactly what we want to prevent. To disable this automatic adjustment entirely, select the Do Nothing option from the radio buttons. This ensures that Windows will not interfere with your microphone's volume levels regardless of what you're doing on your computer. After selecting Do Nothing, click the Apply button at the bottom of the window to save your changes. This step is crucial because it locks in your new settings and ensures they take effect immediately. Once you've clicked Apply, your microphone will no longer auto-adjust its volume in Windows 11, giving you full manual control over your audio levels. And that's it. You've now disabled the automatic microphone volume adjustment feature in Windows 11, so your audio settings will remain exactly as you set them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.